Well, good Friday evening, Arkansas. This is Chief Forecaster coming back here once again here to give you guys a quick weather video on what to expect as we move into the weekend and as we move into the early part of next week here. I got ton of time for just a second. So, it's going to be awesome this weekend. We're going to talk about this weekend coming up here in a little bit. I want you guys to study your severe weather plans, okay? Whenever we have tornado warnings, biggest thing we're always stressing is getting to that lowest part of your home, getting away from the windows, getting to that center part, or if you have a storm shelter, getting to your storm shelter, okay? Take the time this weekend to do that. We're not saying that Tuesday is going to be Armageddon, your tile's going to be wiped off the face of the earth or anything like that. We're not saying all that. But it is April, and it is here in Arkansas. You guys know full well how these risks go here in Arkansas. They can either be a total bust or we're end up busy with a lot of warnings and a lot of stuff going on. So make sure you have that plan ready to go. We're going to talk more about that coming up here in just a little bit. But right now, guys, tonight, awesome. It's going to be awesome. You see that orange, that kind of that orangey color over Arkansas? That is representative of dry air. That means that the conditions are just great. We don't have any thunderstorms or anything to worry about. Everything's just calm and collected here across the natural state here, and that's going to continue as we move into the upcoming weekend. So let's talk about your headlines real quickly, guys. And here's the biggest deal this weekend. Like I said, calm and quiet. It's going to be warm, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s as well. So if you can, get out, enjoy yourself. If you have any plans, go relax this weekend. Okay, we're going to keep you updated on Tuesday. What I would recommend, Saturday night or even Sunday night or even Monday night, talking with your family, getting that severe weather plan on lock, and you guys are going to be fine. Y'all are going to be good to go. I promise you it will save you on the time and on the storm anxiety. Is it a 100% cure for storm anxiety? No. But it gets you to that right direction. It gets you to that point of, okay, I have a plan. It's going to make things easier on me. That's the biggest thing, okay? So we do have that severe weather threat returning as we get into Tuesday. By the way, I am not summoning this severe threat. This is coming on my birthday, which is funny. But, yeah. So, I promise you guys, if I had it my way, I'd have it quiet on Tuesday. But it's April, and it's here in Arkansas, okay? So let's talk about Tuesday. Let's talk about timing. Let's talk about what we're expecting. This is probably one of the rare risks that I have if I had to right now, I think I could cough up a timing map. I'm not going to do it right now, obviously, because we're still days out, and, timing will change on you in a heartbeat. But I feel about 60% confident of putting a timing map out right now if I could. So timing is going to be afternoon on Tuesday. And I've had a lot of people ask me this too. If there were to be an area designated for that level 3, 30% risk area being issued over the next couple of days, where would it go? I think what will end up happening is the slight risk is going to encompass the entire state. Let's just be real here. And what I think what's going to happen is this 30% is probably going to end up somewhere in this vicinity here. And I'm going to tell you why coming up here in just a little bit when we look at data for Tuesday. But will probably be the area where you see the 30%. Now, I'm not going to get any higher than that right now. We're still a couple of days away. But I do believe between tonight and Sunday, there will be some sort of 30% being issued for Arkansas here. Now, could it include the entire state? We will have to wait and see. But I do believe there will be some sort of 30%, and I think it's going to go for central and northeastern Arkansas as we move into that Tuesday time frame here, okay? So let's talk about tonight. Like I said before, this weekend, just relax. We got you covered here at Arkansas Weather Watchers over the weekend to keep you updated on Tuesday. But for tonight, temperatures in the upper 40s, low 50s across the area. It's going to feel a little warmer. You may actually start to feel that humidity start to come back too as we get towards night. You're really going to feel it as we get into the weekend, especially tomorrow night and especially Sunday night here across the area here. But overall, like I said, pretty chill night across our area here. Now, do you have our weather app downloaded? If you don't, let us know in the comments below. It's going to be a lifesaver, especially as we deal with more severe weather threats this month, and it's May, and it's possibly as late as June here, okay? So, and as your Facebook feed, your YouTube feed has brand new radar, all the stuff that you need to keep yourself aware during severe weather here in Arkansas. So go make sure you have that downloaded. If you don't, let us know in the comments. We'll get you taken care of here regarding that, okay? So let's talk about the severe weather threat as we move into your Tuesday time frame here. Now, I've had a lot of people contact me about the Monday risk out west. You know, the Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas risk out west already has a 30%. Will it go day 3 moderate? Right now, as it stands, I'm going to say no, because it is very rare to get a day 3 moderate out there. This is Storm Prediction Center we're talking about at the end of the day. It's very rare for them to put that kind of confidence at day 3. Will it happen on day 2? Oh, most definitely. I do believe you'll probably get some sort of moderate risk out there by the time we get into probably Sunday or even first thing Monday morning. Are they going to do it this early? I doubt it, but if there's enough confidence there, then I could see it happening here. And if that does happen, it's been a while since we've had a day 3 moderate being issued. Won't be here in Arkansas. It'll be out here in Texas, Oklahoma, and in Kansas. But this is the troublemaker out here. This is the area of low pressure that's going to cause a lot of the severe weather issues as we move into your Monday and Tuesday time frame. Your disturbance, like I said before, is going to be kicking out, ejecting out from the Four Corners region. A belt of just strong shear coming in here, guys. Like I said before, that Oklahoma, Texas area, and Kansas, I would definitely be on guard as we move into that Monday time frame here. Now, let's take this out all the way through, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this on Tuesday. This is at 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon here, okay? A couple of things that I am concerned about if you were to go with the Euro. Number one, your storm system, what was over here, has only ejected out into the southern Nebraska, northern Kansas area, okay? So it's a very slow-moving system. So your system is going to be right in here. You have that belt of strong shear coming in. But another thing that I'm concerned about is what we call divergence. And what divergence is, I'm going to try to break this down as simple as possible. It creates a void in the atmosphere. The atmosphere does not like said void. So it tries to fill that void with thunderstorm activity. It tries to correct that void in the atmosphere. So that's why I said anywhere from central Arkansas, probably in this general area, central Arkansas, northeastern Arkansas, this area in here will probably be the best shot of seeing the 30%. That is if this storm system does not trend even slower and further south. If that happens, you guys know full well will probably end up happening here as we move into that Tuesday time frame. But something that I am truly concerned about as we move into that next week time frame. So something that we'll keep an eye on here. But like I mentioned before, what it does, it creates that void in the atmosphere, sparks up those showers and thunderstorms as we move into Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Timing is going to be afternoon on Tuesday going into Tuesday evening. I don't see this going into the overnight hours right now, but if this thing slows down, then we'll let you guys know here, okay? Now let's take a look at the GFS for just a quick bit before I let you guys go. And the same thing that I said before that I was worried about, let me go back over to here, and let's go back to Tuesday real quickly. So the GFS right now is much stronger and further south than the Euro is right now. Both models support significant severe weather Monday, possibly going into Tuesday. The GFS is a little bit more concerning for us here in Arkansas on Tuesday than the European model is. So the GFS, as you can obviously see, much stronger system here further to the south. There's your divergence once again. So basically, you have right through here, you have that void just setting up right over Arkansas, and that's where you get that severe weather threat to kind of take off, which I can show you guys that real fast. And it's going to be right in here. So you guys can see with that divergence in place, it helps promote surface low development. And what happens is you get a surface low to develop down here along the Red River, northeastern Texas, and this is where you get those storms to really start to pop off as we move into Tuesday evening and into Tuesday night here. So a lot of things still need to come together. Right now, all modes of severe weather are on the table. Damaging winds, large hail, and the potential of a tornado threat as we move into Tuesday. We'll keep you guys updated throughout the weekend right here in your source for all things Arkansas weather.